Did you know that 60% of people don't have a budget? And even those who do often give up because it feels too complicated or restrictive. But what if I told you that creating a budget doesn't have to be stressful, and it can actually give you more freedom with your money? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to creating a budget that actually works. No complicated spreadsheets, no fancy apps. Just simple, actionable steps you can start using today. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the numbers, let's talk about why you're budgeting. Is it to pay off debt? Save for a dream vacation? Or just stop living paycheck to paycheck? Knowing your why is crucial because it keeps you motivated when things get tough. So, take a moment to write down your financial goals. Whether it's short-term or long-term, having a clear purpose will make budgeting feel less like a chore and more like a path to your dreams. Now, let's get into the numbers. The first step to creating a budget is understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going. Start by listing all your sources of income. This includes your salary, side hustles, or any other money you earn regularly. Next, track your expenses. Look at your bank statements or use a budgeting app to categorize your spending. Break it down into fixed expenses, like rent, utilities, and subscriptions, and variable expenses, like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Pro tip: don't forget those small expenses, like your daily coffee or impulse Amazon purchases. They add up faster than you think. Now that you know your income and expenses, it's time to choose a budgeting method that works for you. Here are 3 popular options. The 50/30/20 rule. The 50/30/20 rule. 1. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, utilities, groceries. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting. 2. Every dollar has a job. Your income minus expenses should equal 0. The envelope system. The envelope system. 3. Use cash for different spending categories. When the envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category. Choose the method that fits your lifestyle and goals. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to budgeting. Now that you've chosen a budgeting method, it's time to set some realistic goals. Start small, like saving $100 a month or cutting back on dining out. If you're paying off debt, use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to stay on track. And don't forget to celebrate your wins along the way. Pro tip: automate your savings and bill payments. This way, you're less likely to overspend or miss a payment. Your budget isn't set in stone, it's a living, breathing document that should evolve with your life. At the end of each month, review your spending and see where you can improve. Did you overspend on dining out? Maybe it's time to cook more at home. Did you underspend on entertainment? Treat yourself to something small as a reward. The key is to stay flexible and make adjustments as needed. Remember, budgeting is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is the secret sauce to making your budget work. It's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. If you slip up one month, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track the next month. Over time, these small changes will add up to big results. And remember, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving yourself the freedom to spend on what truly matters to you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a budget that actually works. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a budgeting boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on saving, investing, and mastering your money. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest budgeting challenge? I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial freedom starts with one small step. See you in the next video.